Let's get into the shoes of bookshelves today. Yes, you heard it right. Bookshelves. We'll be comparing and contrasting different recipes or types of texts to see how they serve up similar themes and topics in unique ways. Let's take the theme of bravery as our main ingredient. We can find this theme in all sorts of books, much like you can find potatoes in all sorts of dishes. The historical novel Number the Stars by Lois Lowry. This is like a hearty stew. It tells the story of Anne Marie, a young girl who displays bravery during World War II by helping her Jewish friend escape from Nazis. The historical setting adds a level of seriousness and authenticity to the story, much like how slow cooking a stew brings out rich, deep flavors. The fantasy story Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by JK Rowling. This is like a magical, sparkly unicorn cupcake. In this book, Harry shows bravery by standing up to the evil Voldemort, even though he's just a first-year wizard student. The magic and fantastical elements make the story exciting and imaginative, just like how unicorn cupcakes are fun and whimsical. Even though these books are like different dishes, they both explore the same theme of bravery. So, bookshelves, it's time to cook up some comparisons and contrasts. How do these different types of books approach the theme of bravery? What makes their flavors or styles different? Don your chef hats, grab your books or ingredients, and let's get cooking.